Hey cuties! Mwah! So today I am going to be doing a giant thrift store haul. I haven't done one of these for a super long time, so I thought I would give you guys not one visit to the thrift store, but 2 visits. With also try-ons and the whole 9 prices. Now, I did wash everything, so I did take the tags off, but I do have all the tags at the bottom here. So when I'm editing it, I can just pop up what each thing was priced. Okay. Locked in. We're locked in with PiinkSparkles. I love you guys so much. Let's get going. If you guys like these, thumbs it up. Okay, I encourage you guys to go thrifting, look around, don't just like kind of look like glance over the racks. You really have to go through each individual thing if it's in your size, or even if it's not, if it's not in your size, if you're creative.
You do not need me to tell you how to shop, but
have the patience, look through the items, and don't be afraid to pick something up that maybe is a little bit out of your comfort zone. Usually when I get the questions the most, like in everyday life, like, where'd you get that? Like, that's so cute. I'm like, I thrifted it. So let me just start with the first time that I went thrifting. So I got this. I thought this was super cute for the fall coming up, not for the summer right now. But this is the Zara brand. The Zara brand. And it says Los Angeles. I thought this was just so adorable. This was so Jacob Elordi to me. Like, I could not. This was just like some shorts and then some boots or something like that. I thought this was so cute. Or just my slippers. This was my slippers and shorts. That's how I rock. So cute. I love the colors. Adorable.
The Zara.
Also, don't worry about my nails, okay? They're natural nails. I get them done in like 2 days. They look cracked right now. I'm not, the nails are. Okay, so the next thing I got are some of these little lounging shorts. I love like lounging shorts like that. Love them. And these, I could wear this with like the top I'm wearing now, not maybe this. I think somebody made these or just was like super gatekeeping and just took off the brand, but they are so nice and stretchy, comfy. They're probably pajama pants, but you know me, like I don't care. Like I'll just wear them however I see fit. The next item is this little red crop top. So this was from Shein. I'm also not gonna say sizes because some people don't like that. Some people do because they're like, oh, I have the same body type as you, or some people are just interested at how different sizes from different brands can fit, you know, differently or similarly, but I'm just not gonna say sizes. But yeah, this is a cute little crop top. So for thrifting, I don't necessarily go for like vintage stuff. So if I do find something that's my style, then I will. It's more like just a shopping fun, and it's like a treasure hunt, really. So I'll just buy things that I'll actually wear, but I always, when I do go thrifting, I always will bring a donation or 2 or 3 bags before I do buy. Between the 2 times I went, I think I donated like 3 garbage bags full of clothes, because you guys know I love clothes and just like switching up, but I love how croppied that is and cinched. Okay, this was a find, girl. The Ed Hardy. This was $10.29, and it is like one of these early 2000s. Is it a dress? Is it a top? Do you wear it with leggings? Do you wear it on its own? Like, I just love these so much, and it's so breathable, so cute. This originally would have probably been almost $100, to be honest, or if I were to resell this, I probably could make like 80 bucks on it. But girl, no, like this is my style. I love it so much. I love the gold. I love how like even after all these years, like the rhinestones are still on there. Like, it's so cute.
I love it.
It does have a hood. It does have little drawstrings, which again I love, and the deep V-neck. I could be like, my chi-chis are sitting there. There's like this, like, I don't even know, like Phoenix or something like that. Just love Ed Hardy. I love Christian Audige. Chef's kiss that I did find at. I literally was like, oh, and I think somebody was hiding it because it wasn't in where it was supposed to be. I think it was in like the lingerie section. I was like, or it was in the leggings or something like that. And I was like, girl, I got it now. You didn't put your name on it. Okay, I got these like almost like boxing shorts. They're not, but they look like it to me. Oh, it smells so good, this bag, because it's so it smells like bounce sheets because I washed everything. Attire Fine Elegant Series design. That's what that looks like. They're, again, one of these like lounging shorts, but this would also look good with this top or just like a white top for the rest of the summer here. I just love like the cinched, and it gives that like boxing. And I love light pink right now. It doesn't really look the greatest on me, light pink, but I still love it. It doesn't matter what looks good or bad. I like it. It's so I was in an LA mood, I guess. I got this little cropped LA shirt. I probably have something like this, honestly. So like there was no justification of me buying this. Little crop-pied. I love crop tops. It's my go-to. I'm a millennial. Like it's all like literally cropped. Call it a day. Crop it, call it a day. I got these workout shorts for Pilates or spin class. No, you know what? These, no, not spin class. These, the material of these, I can just tell, like, I'll be soaking wet through these, and no. Pilates, if I go for a walk, or if I just go to the gym, these are just so nice. I really like these. I think these were the most expensive thing I bought. They looked so new. Like, just the feeling of them, they look like they were, like, worn once or something like that, if at all. Kyoden Outdoor. So they look like that. They just look really classy. Again, something that would have been more expensive, brand new. Then I got this like wedding top. So I have a wedding to go to and I'm probably gonna wear this. Just kidding. I do have a wedding coming up and no, I'm not gonna wear this. But this looks like
I don't know.
like something you wear for like a wedding rehearsal. Like the bride, not me. It is actually Wet Seal brand. So I'm like, okay, like, yes! The big bling in me is like, yes! Yes! I sound like the, what kid is that? The basketball kid? He's like, yeah! Anyways, this is the back. Here's the front. Oh, and then it goes into a V. I didn't even realize that. Ooh, that's so cute. It's like a little handkerchief. It's like, ooh, I have my silk moment. Woo! As you can see, there's already a brand new tag on this, and this is brand new Shein. How does she go? She goes like this. Oh, I didn't wash this one because it was brand new. Now, some people might be like, you still should wash it. Okay, I will after this. But it's a halter. I love this like wine red color. I feel like in my color palette, I would say, or my color wheel, it looks really good on me. Again, I didn't buy it because of that, but I feel like it does accentuates my hair and my skin tone and stuff like that. But I love the zip, and I love that it is like crisscross like corset or like tie up on the back, so you can get like literally your perfect fit. Get snug right into it. $6.49, brand new. I mean, you can't go wrong. And it is definitely me, so that is a steal. The last thing I got from this first trip was, just a basic little, I thought it was gonna be something fun at the end. I should have saved the Ed Hardy. But we have a whole other bag, girl, and there's a really amazing thing coming up. So this was $7.29. It is Essentials by Poof, and then this I can tell is a winner's tag, so it's winner's brand new for $7.29. I feel like that's pretty good. This probably was like $10-ish. I just got it because I realized I can't find my like basic crops, or maybe I donated them all because I feel like I do buy cheap ones, so they do pill quite easily. So this one is just definitely my style, and just throw it on and go.
So that was the first bag.
I lied. As I was getting all the tags out, this ring I also got. This ring was $2.99. If I had my nails done, this would look so much cuter, but look at this ring. So cute. Just, loved it. Loved the price. It doesn't quite fit, but I'll stack things, and I usually am like kind of going like this anyway to keep my rings on. But I couldn't pass her up. The next bag. I'm the bag. Okay, I got this for my mom. I don't know if she has it. She collects records, and this was $2.99. This reminds me of her. Sharon Lois and Brand smorgasbord. Like, I love that. Like, literally, I haven't ate at all today yet. I'm gonna like gorge on. Literally, this is gonna be my lunch after this. I'm so hungry. Oh my god, look at the old school Toronto Maple Leafs hat right there. That is so cool. But anyways, Sharon Lois and Brand remind me of her, and growing up, she would always play their music and stuff like that, put me in front of the TV and like show me and like sing with me the songs. I think those are the best gifts, is when you just like think of someone and it doesn't matter how much it costs. It's like the act of goodness. This is my favorite thing. Yeah, it wasn't the Ed Hardy thing. Ed Hardy's second place. This, I was like, I know it's not real, girl. I don't care. These aren't real. This isn't real. Like, you know what's real? My heart and my brain. I call my brain Brian because sometimes she be scrambled, okay? So my brain is Brian, but I love her. Like, these things are real.
But this might not be real, but still, it's so tea.
Some people might be like, cringe, but I don't care what you think. Oh, that's so freaking mean. Like, I don't care what you think. Cuties, look at this. Oh, sorry, Shugsy's trying to get in this. Well, you didn't try to. He's in the bag, but he keeps knocking the ring light, so I'm just gonna move you guys over a bit. Okay, it says it's Dior, but you know, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter because I really like it. But she's presenting as Dior, so we're just gonna be like, it's Dior. You know, that's it. That's what we're gonna do, is take it as it is or don't take it at all. Like, I love the buttons. I love, oh God, I love this. It is so like early 2000s core. Like, I can't. And then the back looks like this, so it has this like Christian, is it even spelt right? It is spelt right, but this is what's kind of tripping me out, that it's not real. But maybe that's because sometimes brands do that, like higher end brands. I don't think it's real. I really liked it, and I think it'd be like classy if I'm ever like going to somewhere, like a business meeting. Would I ever? We're gonna put that in the universe. Maybe I will. Maybe. Okay, so I got another croppy thingy. I love tops. I actually have a very similar top to this, but the sleeves are not like this at all, or the straps are not like this, and it's so see-through. This one has a built-in bra, and I just love like the coquette type vibe, and just how like cottage core it is. And it's the Zara brand. I don't know why there were so many Zara things, but I felt like this is so girly and cutesy with these just like falling and just adorbs. Ooh, okay, I'll just show this. Yes, I could not leave Miss Hello Kitty behind. Hello Kitty Sanrio. And it says Hot Topic here. I don't know if somebody cut it there, if it had like a longer, and if somebody wanted to make it a crop. It kind of looks like that, to be honest, which period, because that's how I want to wear it. And I think this is just very neat. I love the light pink, love Hello Kitty. As you guys know, my chain don't lie. Ew, I sounded like I disgust right there. Okay, I have a crop top. So surprising. This one's from Shein. It's just like this little one that kind of looks like a 70s horror movie. Like, I'm in a 70s horror movie. Like, eat me up. Take me out and eat me up. What? Shein. Cute. Love it. I feel like Bran from Sharon Lois and Bran would love that. But, like, not as a crop top. He would love it as, like, a sweater. If it was, like, sweater material, and then he'd put it over a shirt. Yes. Then I got this.
Who knows what this is?
Me, I just wear this as this and be like, hey, going to Walmart. Like, but I'm just, what kind of laugh was that? I'm gonna wear this, obviously, over top of something. What? I don't know. I don't know how to style things. You guys know that. There's no brand. I don't know if somebody made this or is gatekeeping the brand, but it goes like, oh, is it? You button it? Maybe. I'm not even gonna try to unbutton it because I feel like I'd fail. So when I'm showing this to you guys on, this isn't, or maybe it will be how I'll style it. I'm just kind of showing it to you on without being like, oh my god, like I'm wearing chainmail, like just on its own. I'm going to a Dungeons and Dragons party. Okay, this is a similar kind of thing. It says baby, and it's all in rhinestones there. This brand is G. Just literally says G dot. And this is so cute. I could wear a little bralette on here, under here, or if I'm daring, some pasties. This is adorable. I love like knit tops like this. So cute. The reason why I'm sharing the brands is because maybe there's something similar if you're liking something. This one's Ardennes, actually. The colors are just it for me. They're so it. Again, like I don't think they'll look the best on me, but I bore it's just me, you know what I mean? Oh, and it ties at the back, which you guys are definitely seeing. I got this. I actually was torn between this. I was like, do I get this? Do I not? Do I get this? Do I not? The cups, I don't know if somebody sewed on because they do look too different, but period, thank you very much, girl. Shein brand. Yeah, Shein right there. And on the back, it's tie up, lace, whatever. And it's pretty. And did I need it? I don't think I did need this, but I could just wear it for a video or something and then redonate it. So there's no issues with that, right? I got a belt because the ones I have just aren't cute. $1.99. Like, I was like, I'm just gonna grab this because I feel like I'm always looking for a belt, and it's either like I just don't like belts on me, or I'm styling it wrong, or I don't know, I don't have the real right belt. Real right belt. Real right belt. It's just a simple little belt to cinch in, and we're going with it, okay? I got this Kuromi shirt. So cute. The brand is Streetwear Society, so like Urban Planet. Cute. This is like very me, like just like throwing this on. This is like probably what I'm gonna wear after this while editing. What else did I get? Oh my god! These were one of my biggest scores. I forgot about these. They are velour, but they're a more soft velour. I don't like velvet, but it is still that, but love juicy, so I try to just hold this part. But they're juicy shorts, and they were so cheap. I think these were like the cheapest thing that I got. And yeah, Juicy Couture brand. Yeah, girl, steal. Oh my god, this has to be this. I didn't try this on. They actually don't have fitting rooms at the Value Village. I went to 2 Value Villages, by the way. I think, yeah, that's what it was. The first, yeah, I went to 2 different ones, but they don't. Do they both not have? I know one of them for sure. The one that I got this at does not. But I don't know if this is gonna fit over my tatties. It's the Bratz logo, but it says honey. And this is so PiinkSparkles vibe. I know exactly who would like this if it doesn't fit me. So that's why I was like, I'm just gonna get it. And there is no brand on her whatsoever. And it has a little keyhole on the back. Oh, it says Shein, actually. Sorry, I didn't realize it was up there. Shein, not me trying to gatekeep. I got this off the shoulder. Not really. I don't know. It depends. This like very McBling Victoria's Secret pink, like old school. Do they sell things like this anymore? I don't think so. I think everything's like so like new age and like, I don't know, boring is what I want to say. So this, it's like a jersey kind of thing. I'd still wear like a tank top under it, but I thought that was adorable. Now we're coming up to the last few things. Oh, I got something for working out. This is Lululemon with the built-in bra. Like, I've worked out in them and they really, I don't know, they hold me up well. It sucks me in good and like nothing's like jiggling or jangling or whatever, and it has really good sweat control. So this is perfect for, this would be good for spin class or just for going hard at the gym or something like that. 2 more things. Okay, so they're kind of like slutty things at the end. I love this. I might not be able to show this on. No, I'm not going to show this on. This will be on the blue page. But yeah, I can't show this on. So cute. It's like a cute little corset lace play dress up type beat. And then the very last thing is, I feel like I have this, but I wear this all the time. This actually might not fit me and I don't know why I bought this.
This kind of looks raggedy.
Better not have been more than $5 because why would I buy this? I don't know. I don't know what no idea what's going on here. Don't even know the brand. Oh wow, we're ending on not so fun of a note. Well, that was everything. I hope you guys loved this haul, this try-on haul, thrift haul. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for still watching me and for wanting to see hauls and thrift hauls and stuff like that. I love thrifting, and if you guys want to see another one, let me know, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Thank you guys for being here. Bye!